Hi, I'm about to unbox my audiobooks that Mom got for me. Now, the first one is A Stolen Life by Jaycee Dugard. This is about the girl who was kidnapped in 1991. She was 11 years old, and she was kidnapped by a registered sex offender and spent 18 years in captivity. And she was released in 2009. And during that time, the parole officers made 60 visits and didn't find her. For her first 2 years in captivity, she spent her time in a shed, and then he went back to prison, and his wife took over as her captor. His wife, Nancy Garrido, took over as her captor, and when she was 13, she found out she was pregnant by him and gave birth in that shed. And then 3 years later, she gave birth again to his kid, and she had no medical attention, and he delivered both babies. So that is the first one, A Stolen Life by Jaycee Dugard.